Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today's video I've been really excited to do because I've been so excited for this shoe. This shoe is a three-way collaboration with Nike, Sacai and Fragment, and it is a beautiful shoe. So today's video I'm just going to do a review, what it looks like on feet, and at the end I think I might do like a little styling video of what I would wear with it. But yeah, let's just get straight into the video. Boxing wise, they come in the Nike orange pull-out box. It is a pull-out box. I can never close these. Oh, I just did. I can never usually close these things properly. Yeah, you just pull them out and then you've got them, and then you've got the tissue paper, and then underneath you have the beauty. So these came in the colorway black and blue, which I guess ultimately is navy. Is what they look like at first glance. So as I said before, this shoe is a three-way collaboration, so we've got elements of Nike, Sacai and Fragment all within the shoe. The basis of the shoe though does start from the LDWaffle, which is a fusion of two silhouettes. So you've got the Waffle Daybreak and then you've got the LDV shoe. I'll put some pictures here so you can see what the shoe is kind of inspired from. So they've kind of taken the basic silhouette and then they've obviously collaborated with other brands to give it that extra, you know, a non-normal Nike shoe, which I absolutely love. The main bulk of the shoe on the upper is predominantly really premium kind of suede, so it does feel really good. And then you've also, as you can see, you've got this mesh going on as well, which goes from the side panels up into the toe box, which I'm thinking that's going to probably make the shoe like quite breathable and quite comfortable. What I love about this shoe is that obviously they're blended in the two brands, and that is just so obvious. So you've got a double Nike swoosh either side, which is absolutely amazing. I feel like that is like the stand. When you look at the shoe, that's the first kind of thing you can see. So we've got that in the white leather, and then if we turn around to the front, we've got double laces as well. Really nice thick laces, again kind of making the shoe a bit more premium. And then we have a double tongue, so we have the Fragment logo here and then we have the Nike logo here. Again, this is something that I don't see often in shoes, so I absolutely love that. Double laces I feel like isn't so special, but I feel like a double tongue, like I absolutely love that. Towards the back of the shoe near the heel, you can kind of see this overlay of suede, which is nice. Again, kind of gives you that premium kind of vibe. And then we've got the logo at the back of the heel cap, and this is the Nike and Sacai logo. And as well as on the heel as well, in the insole, you've got the Nike Sacai logo as well going on. And then last but definitely not least, obviously you've got the main amazing sole, which is basically, you know, describes the whole silhouette of the shoe. If I had to describe the shoe, I would literally say, you know, the sole that sticks out. So on the side of it, as you can see, you've got the name of the shoe, the LDWaffle, and then the Sacai and Fragment, and then the other side you've got it in this bold font, which again says the classic Fragment and Sacai. I really love that they've incorporated three of the brands very well onto the shoe. I feel like sometimes when Nike does collab with brands, all you get is like a small logo on the shoe, but as for this shoe, you've got so many different features of all the other brands implemented into one shoe. This trainer gives me like mixed vibes. I feel like it's like a casual but smart shoe at the same time. I feel like you could wear smart clothes and make it a smart shoe, but also feel like you could literally wear it with like a tracksuit and it will be like a casual shoe. I also feel like it does look like an expensive shoe. Talking about pricing, I mean, I guess it was. These came in at £155, which I don't think is that bad considering it's a collab shoe. It also did come out in another colorway, the grey-white collab, which was like a really nice light grey. That was actually my first choice and I went for both, and I ended up with the navy pair. I do love both, but the grey-white, I just feel like that colour you could probably wear with a lot more things than this colour. Sometimes navy is harder to style, whereas for the kind of grey, I feel like you can literally wear anything you want with them. But nevertheless, as I said, I am happy with these. They do also come with a white pair of laces as well, which I absolutely love and I'm going to put on. I do think the navy goes, and I do think the white will go as well, but I feel like the white will give a bit more of a contrast with the swoosh as well, so I'm definitely going to put the white ones on. In terms of sizing, I went for my normal size, which is size 7, and they fit like a dream, so if you were looking to get these, I would stay true to size. In terms of comfortability, I feel like when looking at them, I feel like they don't actually look like the most comfortable pair of shoes, especially when you hold them, but they are actually pretty comfortable. So that brings me to the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also check out my Instagram where I post weekly fits with all my trainers. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you all next time.